Title: Comparing Length with Unit Blocks, 3 to 5 years. The Count Play Explore logo appears in the lower right with the words Count, Play, Explore for early education. Part 1. An educator sits next to a child at a table in a classroom. On the table is a basket of plastic connecting cubes. In front of the child are 7 stacks of cubes, standing upright, all different lengths. The educator places 3 stacks of cubes on the table. 1 stack is short, 1 is medium, and 1 is tall.
If I have 3, which one is the longest? The tallest? This one?
The child points to the short stack. The educator points to the short stack of cubes.
This one is the shortest. Shortest is the small. Shortest means small. Longest means the tallest one.
The educator holds both hands out, palms facing each other, and moves the top hand up, away from the bottom hand.
So my daddy is that tall.
The child points to the tall stack of cubes in front of them.
Your daddy is that tall?
Yeah,
Okay.
mine's that tall.
The child points to the second tallest stack of cubes.
So your daddy is this tall. Your mommy is this tall.
The educator points to the tallest stack, then the second tallest stack.
And you are
The child points to a stack of 4 cubes.
this tall. And who is this tall?
The educator points to a single cube.
You have anybody in your family that could be that tall?
Yeah.
Who?
The child picks up a single cube.
My cousin Alexa's baby.
Your cousin Alexa's baby could be the smallest one.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, so this is cousin Alexa's baby. That's you? Or this
So
one?
that's my brother Chente.
The educator points to a stack of 5 cubes, then the stack of 4 cubes. The child points to the stack of 5 cubes.
And
That's
how about,
my brother Gio.
The child points to the stack of 4 cubes.
that's your brother Gio. And which one is you?
The child points to the stack of 3 cubes.
Oh, that one. Are you younger than brother Gio?
The educator points to the stack of 4 cubes.
No.
No? Are you shorter than brother Gio?
Yeah.
Yeah?
The child reaches into the basket and takes out some cubes.
Okay, and how about
I'm gonna make Charlie.
who could be this tall in your family?
The educator picks up the stack of 2 cubes and moves it in front of the child.
Charlie.
Charlie?
The child puts the cubes they took from the basket back into the basket.
Is Charlie younger than you? Smaller than you? Yeah?
He's like short.
Charlie is short?
Yeah.
So he's shorter than you. Yeah?
Part 2. The educator and child sit at a table with the basket of connecting cubes in front of them. There are several stacks of cubes standing upright in front of the educator. The child is holding a stack of 3 cubes.
What else can we measure? How about our whole hand? Want to measure your whole hand? How long do you think your hand is?
The child holds up their palm and places the stack of cubes along the pinky side of the hand.
Let's see. How about your whole hand? From here to the tip of this finger.
The educator points to the child's wrist and moves their finger from the wrist up to the top of the child's middle finger.
Can I help you?
The educator takes the stack of cubes from the child and places the end of the stack at the child's wrist.
Okay, let's add more. Put your hand down. Let's see.
The educator places their palm on the back of the child's hand that is being held several inches above the table. The child adds a cube to the end of the stack laying in their palm.
Let's see how long your hand is. Okay, that's 1, 2, 3, 4.
The educator points to each cube in the stack.
What do we need to do? We need to add more. Can you add more?
The child reaches into the basket and picks up a connecting cube. The child attaches the cube to the end of the stack. The educator takes the cube and the stack, helping the child attach the cube. The educator places the stack back on the child's palm.
Here. Okay. Is that as long as your hand?
No.
No. How many more do you think we need?
The educator places the stack upright on the table. The child reaches into the basket and picks up another cube. The child attaches the cube to the top of the stack.
One more? Okay, let's try it.
I
No?
said how many too.
Oh, let's count. See how long your hand is.
The child holds their palm out with the stack of cubes laying in their palm with one end against the wrist, reaching to the end of the middle finger.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6. Do you think my hand is 6?
The educator holds out their hand, palm side up, and takes the stack of cubes from the child. The educator is holding the stack of cubes up in their other hand.
No.
No, you think it's more or less?
More.
Okay, let's try.
The educator puts the stack on their palm with the end against their wrist.
So 6 reaches there. How many more do you think we need for my hand?
5.
5 more? Let's try. Can you help me add more? You think that's good? Or do we need another one?
The educator is holding a stack of 9 cubes from their palm to the tip of the middle finger.
That's good.
That's good? Okay, whoops. Okay, so yours was 6. Mine is 1. Count with me.
The educator points to each cube in the stack as the child counts.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
The educator holds a stack of 6 cubes and a stack of 9 cubes upright in front of the child.
9. Yours was 6. Mine is 9. Which one was the longest?
The child points to the stack of 9 cubes.
Mine, right? Mine. Which one was the shortest?
The child points to the stack of 6 cubes.
Yours was the shortest.
Credits. A special thanks to the children, families, and staff of the Office of the Fresno County Superintendent of Schools Lighthouse for Children Child Development Center, without whose help these videos would not have been possible. The Count, Play, Explore logo appears in the lower right corner with the words Count, Play, Explore for early education.